ELMVIA, all-in-one multifunction, stainless steel wire, stripper, wire, crimping tool, wire cutter, wire crimper, cable stripper, wiring tools, and multifunction hand tool, all in one. About this item: multifunctional wire stripper, crimper, cable cutter, pliers. Our newly multifunctional wire stripper is a must-have for every home toolbox. Improve your work efficiency with this versatile tool. 2. Practical multifunction tool. This practical and multifunctional cable stripping cutter meets various electrician operation requirements such as wire cutting, stripping, crimping, winding, splitting, clamping, wrenching, etc. 3. Excellent material. Made of high-quality, high-carbon steel, overall heat treatment, high hardness, cutting edge, strong shearing force, sturdiness, and durability. There is no need to change the pliers frequently during use, which improves work efficiency, saving you time and energy. 4. Precise wire stripping hole. The precise wire stripping hole design ensures a neat cut without damaging the wire core. Say goodbye to messy and damaged wires. 5. Multifunctional. Cutting effective wire by cutter, using a wire stripper to precisely strip the wires from wire AWG size, directly stripping the wire by a stripper. Using a wire splitter to split one wire into 2 wires, or up to 4 wires to be tightly wound and rewound together to upgrade power. And the pliers nose for holding and twisting wires into sockets or other electrical components. Use a crimping tool to crimp both insulated, making it ideal for any electric project. 6. Comfortable grip. This plier adopts anti-rust oil-coated surface, which is comfortable to hold. The handle provides a comfortable grip, perfect for long-time operations.